Okay, we're going to look at number 6 on 5.6. So f of x is continuous, so there's no breaks from 3 to 6. So I'll go to here and say we're talking from 3 to 6. It flows nicely somehow. It is either always increasing or always decreasing. So it's either always increasing or always decreasing, one of those two. And it has the same concavity throughout the interval 3 to 6. So it's either always concaved up or always concave down, increasing, or concave down, up, or concave down, decreasing. And for the exact area, it has the left as 7 and the right as 6. So if the left is an overestimate and the right is an underestimate, it has to be decreasing for the left to be over and the right to be under. So we got a decreasing function. And the midpoint is 7.05. So what is the trapezoid? So let's find the average of the left and right to get the trapezoid for. So I got to add these two. So that's 13.98 divided by 2, which is 6, 9, 9. So the trapezoid is less than the midpoint. So if the trapezoid is less, let's see, let's draw the two curves. We know it's decreasing, it's either that way or it's decreasing in that way. The trapezoid would be an overestimate, and the midpoint would be an underestimate. They're always opposite. Or the trapezoid, which would be under on it this way, and the midpoint would be then an over. So since the trapezoid is less than the midpoint, the trapezoid must be an underestimate, and so therefore it must be concave down. So is f increasing or decreasing? Well, it has to be decreasing because the left is an over and the right's an under. Concaved, it has to be concaved down because the trapezoid is less than the midpoint. So it's concave down. And now determine the best possible estimate for this based on the information. Well, we're going to do Simpson, and we've got 4, so we'll be doing Simpson 8, which means take 2 of the midpoints plus 1 of the trapezoid and divide it by 3, because we got 1, 2, 3 of the estimates, and we get an estimate that says it should be parenthesis 2 times 7.05 plus 6.99 divided by 3, and we think it's our best estimate is 7.03 given the information we have. That's less than the left, more than the right. The midpoint is giving us a little over, and the trapezoid is giving us a little under.